Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to fix the filter has mismatched range sizes error in Google Sheets. If you've ever bumped into this error while trying to filter your data and felt stumped or even a little frustrated, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to spot exactly what's going wrong, but you'll also be able to fix it confidently every single time. Alright, let's dive right in. Imagine you're working with some sales data. You might have a simple table with days of the week in column A and corresponding revenue figures in column B. Maybe you want to pull just certain days into a new area or filter for specific criteria. So you set up your filter formula, but instead of seeing your shiny filtered results, you get that intimidating error message. Filter has mismatched range sizes. It's a pretty cryptic error, and at first glance, it doesn't really tell you what's going on. Here, what usually lies at the heart of this problem. In the filter formula, all the ranges you specify, like your data columns and your conditions, must line up perfectly. That means they need to cover exactly the same number of rows. If you've ever tried stacking blocks that aren't quite the same size, you know things just don't fit together. This is kind of the same idea. Let me give you a concrete example. Imagine your data looks like this. In column A, you have Sunday through Saturday, so that's 7 rows running from A2 to A8. In column B, maybe you have the weekly revenue again, values from B2 to B8. Now, if you accidentally set up your formula like filter A2, A8, B2, B7, notice that B2, B7 only covers 6 rows, leaving out Saturday's data. So Google Sheets is trying to pair up 7 days with only 6 revenue numbers. That's what triggers the error. It's Google Sheets' way of saying, hey, these pieces don't match up, I can't process this filter. So how do you fix it? Thankfully, it's an easy correction. First, click into the cell where your formula lives, maybe that's D2. Carefully check each range that's listed in the formula. Are they exactly the same length? Using our example, if your days go from A2 to A8, your revenue numbers need to match B2 to B8. Simply change any range that's too short by editing the range reference. So instead of B2, B7, update it to B2, B8, making sure both columns align perfectly. Sometimes, especially if you're working with large sets of data, it's easy to overlook a missing row or an accidental extra one. Take your time here, the fix is just a matter of making your ranges match exactly. Double check before you hit enter, and once you update the formula, that pesky error message should disappear. Your filtered results will pop right into place. Don't worry if you made this mistake, we all do it, even seasoned spreadsheet users. The main thing to remember, every range in your filter formula must run from the same starting row to the same ending row. It's all about keeping everything perfectly lined up, just like rows of a spreadsheet should be. And that's all there is to it. If this helped you solve your issue, let me know by hitting the like button, and if you have any questions or run into other Google Sheets problems, drop a comment down below. I always love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, clear tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.